In Qlik Cloud, you can add an image object directly onto any sheet in your dashboard. Open the Assets panel and go to Charts. Under Dashboard Objects, drag Image onto the sheet. In the Properties panel, expand the Image section to configure your source. Under Image Source, you can choose from your media library or paste in a URL. If using a URL, note that a tenant administrator must first add that URL's origin to the content security policy. Alternatively, you can use images from the media library. Select an image from your media library or upload a new file. Select the image you just uploaded and click Insert. Once your image is placed, you can adjust how it appears using the options in the Image section. Image Position sets where the image sits within the object frame. You can also rotate the image, flip it horizontally, or enable Repeat so it tiles inside the frame. Image Fit controls how the image is sized. Keep it original, use a fit option, or stretch it to fill the object. Use the opacity slider to make the image more transparent. You can also set a tooltip to display text when users hover over it. For deeper customization, go to Appearance, then click the Styling palette under Presentation. You can also set a background color. You can set a single color or an expression. Under Border, adjust the outline size, color, and corner radius to frame your image. To reset any stylings back to defaults, click Reset next to that section or Reset All to clear everything at once. Under Shadow, choose a size and color, or select None to remove it entirely. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.